Hi! Do you want to learn how to draw your own amazing characters? Would you like to be able to draw each body part easily and without having to memorize every muscle in the human body? Then this is the course for you. Drawing characters is a very important skill when it comes to art. If you're looking for a job in the art industry as a concept artist, a character designer, or fashion designer, you will need to know how to draw characters. Or even if you would just like to have fun drawing your own characters or drawing your friends, this is a great fun skill to have. And with this course, this skill can be yours. This course starts with the basics. First, we will start by learning and doing some gesture drawing exercises, so you can practice drawing dynamic poses. Then, once you have that solid base for posing your character, we'll be going through each body part one by one. We'll be drawing each part one step at a time, from the head with the ears, noses, eyes and mouth, all the way to the hands, feet, torso and more. Every single part of the human figure is covered in different angles in the course. This is so you can completely understand how each body part looks like in any point of view. By doing this, you'll be able to draw the human body in any pose you want. The course has over 9 hours of clear and helpful content. Plus, you'll have access to the course community and myself, being able to ask questions and have your work reviewed by me. But who am I really? I'm Patricia, a freelance artist and graphic designer that has been working in the industry for many years. I've worked in video games, designing album covers for musicians, working for YouTubers and Twitchers, and even for publishing companies. Nowadays, I've dedicated myself 100% to teaching other people how to draw. I'm here to give you the skills you need to break into the art industry and to give you an edge when presenting your artwork. I also want to make art enjoyable for you by giving you fun drawing exercises throughout the course. In addition, I give you 100%, no questions asked, money back guarantee, so there's really no reason to hesitate. So, what are you waiting for? Join now and start creating amazing characters today!